So it is the best wireless headphone that I've ever reviewed. I need backup, go on. Welcome guys to another video. So today we're checking out these wireless noise canceling stereo headset. Alright guys, right away it comes in this nice carrying case. It is hard shell, so it's protected, which is great for, you know, portability if you guys are taking your headset with you. So they give you a quick start guide. Looks like a whole bunch of accessories. You got AUX to AUX. You have your charging cable. Looks like you have adapter. So that's what it looks like, guys. That just pulls right out. We'll set that there. So this is the headset. It seems very simple, which is nice. You know, when I talk about simple, a lot of people might think, oh, no, simple is simplicity. You know, if you guys take a look at them, they're stealthy, they're stylish, but they're not just cluttered with stuff that does not need to be on headsets. You can turn them completely. So that's awesome. They are adjustable. You just pull down, you know, just like this. So fit comfortably. Another nice thing is there's not a lot of pressure pushing towards your head. Some headsets, you know, the way they're designed really push in your head. Not these. These are really nice. That is nice. Very soft padded. You have your buttons on the side here. You have your charging port down below. You have your AUX down below. ANC button on the side here. Yeah, they are foldable as well, so easily fold them up. So far, very impressive, but we got to try out the audio. So you press and hold the button right here, and the power turns on. All right, guys, so we connected. It's NC85 Pro when you're searching for devices with your Bluetooth. The noise canceling seems to be pretty good so far. We're going to go ahead and play a song. I'm going to listen to it. I'll give you guys a little test, a copyright-free song. So here we go. We got it turned on. Woo! Whoa! That gets loud. Wow. All right, we have to pause this for a second and talk. Wow. Can you guys turn this up or what? Like, when you max out the volume, it is loud. That is, and you know what I noticed? The bass does not crack or pop or anything when it's maxed out. It's still very good. We got to test this out more. This might be one of my most favorite pairs of wireless headset. That bass, I tell you, that bass is good. Ooh. Wow. So, I mean, they're comfortable, they're stylish, soft, padding, adjustable, portable. The Bluetooth connected almost right away. It was easy to find. And we haven't even, you know, we could spend 20 minutes here talking about features like the play and pause. You just tap the power button and it pauses. Tap it again to play. You know, you got controls on here that you can control your devices. I mean, overall, guys, really nice headset. I think you guys will be very impressed. I can't imagine anyone would not be impressed with these. The sound quality is just top tier. The stylish, top tier. You know, they're sleek, simple design. Probably the only thing missing is some colored RGB lights or LED lights maybe on here with their symbol or logo that would light up like rainbow and kind of fade, like transition between different colors. That's all this needs, and that's, you know, just a wish list, you know, from me. Without the color, without that, still gets a 5-star from me. I don't normally like giving ratings on products, but stuff that I really, really do like. I mean, this is replacing all my other headphones. So it is the best wireless headphone that I've ever reviewed.